से लास्ट सेशन में हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट किया था चेन रूल, प्रोडक्ट रूल, क्वोशिएंट रूल एंड वेरियस प्रॉब्लम ऑन दैट. Let us start once again with the logarithmic differentiation, log differentiation you can say, and why we use a logarithmic differentiations. So let us point out all those things. Log differentiation, you can say a logarithmic differentiation. When to use log differentiation? When to use log differentiation? Suppose first case, when power is variable. Power is variable. जैसे मैंने आपको इनिशियल में कहा था कि जब पावर कांस्टेंट हो और तब आपसे डिफरेंशिएशन के बारे में पूछा जाए इससे, तो आपको करना कुछ नहीं है, पावर एक आगे कर दीजिए और एक पावर कम कर देना है. बट अगर यही सेम क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ x to the power x, तब इसका डिफरेंशिएशन ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि पावर आगे और एक पावर कम, क्योंकि मैंने कहा था कि ये चीजें वैलिड है ओनली इन द केस जब पावर कांस्टेंट है. नाउ जब पावर वेरिएबल हो तब हम क्या करें? जब पावर वेरिएबल होता है तो वी हैव द ऑप्शन फॉर लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. व्हेन टू यूज लॉग डिफरेंशिएशन? जब पावर वेरिएबल हो तब. सेकंड केस में जब क्वेश्चंस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नजर आ रहे हो, जब क्वेश्चंस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इन द सेंस लेंथी लग रहा हो, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आई मीन टू से जब लेंथी नजर आ रहा हो, तब काफी ज्यादा लेंथी हो तो लॉग यूज करने से उसका डिफरेंशिएशन काफी सिंपल हो जाता है. लेट अस ट्राई फ्यू क्वेश्चन ऑन दिस. As I said, जब पावर वेरिएबल में हो, when power is variable, थोड़ा इसकी बातें करते हैं. Suppose y is equals to x to the power x. Look here, ये जो पावर है वो वेरिएबल के फॉर्म में है, ये कांस्टेंट नहीं है. तो हम इसका जब डिफरेंशिएशन जब भी पावर वेरिएबल हो तो टेक log बोथ साइड. I mean to say a log of y is equals to log of x to the power x. दोनों तरफ log ले लिया. log m to the power n. log की प्रॉपर्टी ये कहता है कि जब भी log m to the power n हो, that can always written as n log m. For example, जब भी आपसे ऐसा कुछ पूछा जाए log 2 की पावर 5 क्या होगा, तो पावर आगे 5 log 2. ये कुछ और नहीं, इसको हम बोलते हैं प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लॉग. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लॉग जो आप नोट डाउन करेंगे, log m to the power n is always equals to n log m. इसको आप स्टार लगा सकते हैं. सो यहाँ सिंपल आप देखिए, इसको हम लिखेंगे log y, जैसे log m to the power n log m होता है, log x to the power x will be nothing but x log x. Now start differentiating this. log y, जैसा अगर ये log x होता, ये एरिया अगर log x होता, तो आप सिंपल बोलते हैं इसका डिफरेंशिएशन दोनों तरफ हम डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं d by dx and d by dx of this. So अगर ये log x होता तो इसका डिफरेंशिएशन बहुत सिंपल था, 1 by x. अगर ये log y है, अभी भी हम लिखेंगे वैसे 1 by y, बट y का अगर मुझे सेंस यहाँ x नहीं है तो y का डिफरेंशिएशन फिर से मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा d by dx of y, जो मैंने चेन रूल लगाया. तो 1 by y into dy by dx. इसमें आप देख लीजिए दो अलग अलग फंक्शन, एक अलजेब्रिक फंक्शन है एंड दिस वन इज अ लॉग फंक्शन. दो अलग अलग फंक्शन आपस में मल्टीप्लाइड है. सो यू कैन से प्रोडक्ट रूल लग जाएगा यहाँ. प्रोडक्ट रूल क्या कहता है? फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ सेकंड वन d by dx of log x plus second function as it is log x into d by dx of x. फर्दर इसको मैं सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा और 1 by y dy by dx is equals to x into d by dx of log x which is 1 by x plus log x into d by x which is equals to 1. थोड़ा इसको क्लियर और करते हैं. x into x will be 1 plus log x. Log x into 1 is log x, 1 plus log x. Then further more simplified 1 by y dy by dx can also be written as 1 plus log x, and you can say dy by dx is nothing but y is divided here, यहाँ पे multiply हो जाएगा, y gets shifted here, y is equals to 1 plus log x. So as we can't give the answer in terms of a y because my question was in terms of a x. So put the value of y as an x to the power x, you will get the answer of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equals to y as an x to the power x, from here 1 plus log x. So simple. Whenever the power is variable without taking log both sides, you can't solve it. Now properties of log. Very important to understand the properties of log because we are using a logarithmic differentiation in differentiation. Then properties of log is what? As I said initially, log m to the power n can always be written as n log m. Second one, log m by n can also be written as log m minus log n. Third one, log m into n can be written as log m plus log n. Fourth one, e की power log of fx is always equals to fx. Let us take example of each of these properties. First one, log m to the power n. For example, if somebody say log 8 can also be written as log 2 to the power q. By using this property, log m to the power n is n log m. You can write out log 2 का cube is also equals to 3 log 2. Even converse is also true. N log m can also be written as log m to the power n. So 3 log 2 can also be written as log 2 cube because this area goes as a power. Second one, second here. Suppose somebody asks what is log 2 by 5. You can easily say log 2 minus log 5. Third one, log 2 into 7. For example, these all are the examples. Log 2 into 7 can be written as log 2 plus log 7. Fourth one is very important. Note down these things. Fourth, e की power log of fx. For example, e की power log of sin x can be written as sin x. So whenever e की power log of sin x is there, you can say only sin x is this. थोड़ा सा इस प्रॉपर्टीज को और क्लियरली देखते हैं। e की पावर 2 log x can't be written as x only. पहले आप इसे क्लियर करें, ऐसा e की पावर log, there should not be anything here, so e की पावर 2 log x can also be written as e की पावर log of x square, and then you can write down x square. e की पावर log, there should not be any coefficient of log, यहाँ कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, then e की पावर log f x is always f x. So if it is e की पावर 2 log x, so आप इसमें प्रॉपर्टी लगाइए, जैसे n log m is always equals to log m to the power n. So log x square, and then it can be written as x square. For example, how to use this property? If somebody asks y is equals to e की power log of sin x, what is the differentiation of this? So अगर आप इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्लियर आप जानते हैं तो आप लिख सकते हैं y is equals to e की पावर log of sin x, which can be written as sin x only. So dy by dx is equals to cos x. No need to use a chain rule in this case, because अगर प्रॉपर्टी क्लियर है तो e की पावर log sin x is easily a sin x, and then dy by dx differentiation of this is nothing but cos x. Next, y is equals to sin x to the power x. See, powers is a variable. Once again, power is variable here. So take log both sides. Without taking log, you can't solve this thing. Log y is equals to x log sin x, or you can say log of sin x to the power x. Now power, once again, by using the property of a log, log y is equals to x log sin x. So simple. So once again, now start differentiating. Once the simplification is done, log y, as I said, log x is 1 by x, log y is 1 by y, but y is not a x, so dy by dx, chain rule here. And this one is the first, and this whole is the second one. So first function as it is, differentiation of log sin x, you know, log x, if it is log x, you will say 1 by x. So log sin x is nothing but 1 by sin x. But this is not x, so chain rule once again here, sin x as in cos x. Second one, log sin x as it is, I am using product rule and nothing else. Log sin x as it is, differentiation of x, which is 1. So further, you can say 1 by y into dy by dx is nothing but cos x divided by sin x, which is x cot x into log sin x and plus sign in between this. So dy by dx will be finally y, since y is divided here, so y x cot x plus log of sin x. You can put down the value of y. Value of y is sin x to the power x. So final answer will be sin x to the power x, x cot x plus log of sin x, and this will be the final answer. We will solve few more questions on this log to make this concept very clear.